How to open APK files on your PC. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily open your .apk files on your PC. So first thing, make sure you have successfully downloaded and installed the BlueStack application. And once you have successfully downloaded the BlueStack application, you will need to head over to this tab where it says install APK. As you can see on my right section, it says install APK. So when you click on this plus APK icon, just this tab will appear where you will already need to download one of the .apk files externally, and from there you can simply, for in this example I am using Facebook Lite application as an example as a .apk file. Simply open it, and as you can see, it quickly downloads and installs. It quickly installs the Facebook Lite application on my interface over here, and you can simply run it as usual, just like this. And that is it guys, that's exactly how you can easily install or open any APK files on your PC. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.